just good amount. So I'm gonna put some 3D crystal on this. Smaller stone. Alright, so I'm gonna flash clear this one quick before I start dress it up a little bit more. Get a little bit of the tiny little stones of cluster in there. Flash clear for 30 seconds. Oh, I found one more. Okay. Flash clear 30 seconds. Hi Bonita, hi Kaja. Did I miss anyone at all? Monsi. Oh, will you ever using it on one of your set? Thank you so much, Monsi. Is Premium's matte top coat. I absolutely love that one. Are we going to doing? I'm probably going to do in a little bit. So we have a Premium's. See if I have it on my. It's absolutely the one. The white bottle is already suede. The other one is really matte suede. So I'm gonna using condensed glue gels again, and I'm gonna apply it all over the nails. It looks like I have a July 4th theme, but it's kind of. Okay. I really want to do a weaver gels on this too, but I am going to dress it up, that's why. I'm looking for my chain. That's good. I'm not putting a top coat yet because I'm going to put my chains right now. Hold on. Sorry, I took it off because I'm going to wrap completely around this. So I'm gonna cut that part. I'm gonna grab my, and in the meantime, just using my crystal remover clipper. There you go. Just, you can hear that click, just clips everything off. Just don't want to hang it off on the nails. Get them a little bit bigger. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna add probably a little bit more condensed glue gel. Can you open this one, please? Holding one hand on it is hard. And I am going to using my dot 2 from crystal picker. All right, wipe it off. And no wipe top coat. I am going to apply it all over the nails, over on the top of the chains as well, to prevent from tarnish. Right there. This way I add a little bit extra of condensed glue gels. I'm gonna place my little butterflies there. And she should stay on really good. I'm gonna do another one. And then another one. You can do it right on the top of the chains, you can, but I just want to have on side. Piece of paper. I'd like to have one more butterfly. I have one right there. I just bent it earlier. Just right there. So you can turn her however you would like it. Well, if you want this one, you can put it that over. Great. Crystal picker. Different, everyone. Add a little bit of crystal on it. Yeah, if you're happy with this, we want to keep this one for 60 seconds.